Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel. 10 ways to make her obsess over you, female psychology hacks. Your go-to place for relationship advice, psychology insights, and life hacks to level up your game. Today, we're diving into female psychology and uncovering 10 powerful ways to make her obsess over you. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding how attraction works and building a genuine connection. If you're ready to dive into proven ways to get her attention and keep it, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's start with mystery. Studies show that women are naturally intrigued by men who don't reveal everything right away. Think James Bond. He doesn't walk into a room announcing every detail of his mission, does he? He's confident, capable, and he keeps his cards close to his chest. This creates an irresistible aura of mystery that draws people in. By holding back a little, you pique her curiosity and make her want to invest more time and effort into getting to know the real you. It's like reading a good book. You keep turning the pages because you need to know what happens next. Be that captivating story for her. That, gentlemen, is how you create lasting attraction. One of the most underrated hacks in building meaningful relationships is being an amazing listener. It's not just about hearing words, it's about understanding the emotions behind them. In a world obsessed with broadcasting, the ability to truly listen is a superpower. Most people are so focused on what they want to say next that they miss the essence of the conversation. When she talks, give her your full attention. No distractions, no glancing at your phone. This simple act shows respect and genuine interest. Ask clarifying questions like, "Tell me more about that," or "How did that make you feel?" These questions show that you care about her perspective. This shows that you're not just hearing her words but also trying to understand her emotions. Nodding and maintaining eye contact can also reinforce that you are engaged. Women connect through emotions, and when you tap into that, you create a powerful bond. Emotional connection is the foundation of any strong relationship. Remember small details she mentions and bring them up later. This could be anything from her favorite book to a story about her childhood. This demonstrates that you were truly paying attention and that you value her thoughts and experiences. It shows that you see her as an individual with unique stories and feelings. Being a good listener is about being present, engaged, and showing genuine interest in what she has to say. It's about creating a safe space where she feels heard and understood. Master this, and you'll become the guy she can't wait to talk to. She'll look forward to your conversations, knowing that you truly care about what she has to say. Confidence is attractive, there's no doubt about it. It suggests you believe in yourself, in your worth, and that's incredibly sexy. But there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Confidence is about owning your strengths, your accomplishments, but also being comfortable with your flaws. It's about being able to laugh at yourself, to admit when you're wrong, and to be open to learning and growing. Instead of bragging, share your passions with her, talk about your goals and aspirations. Let her see your drive, your ambition, but do it in a way that feels authentic and genuine. Being vulnerable doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. That's the kind of confidence that truly captivates. Use scarcity. Have you ever noticed how the things we have to work a little harder for seem more valuable? That's the principle of scarcity at play. If you're always available at her beck and call, she might start to see you as a given. Make plans with your friends, pursue your hobbies, invest time in your own personal growth. Show her that you have a life outside of her, that you're not just sitting around waiting for her call. A man with passions, hobbies, and a fulfilling life is infinitely more attractive. Make yourself a little less available, a little more mysterious. Let her see that you have a life you're passionate about, and she'll be even more eager to be a part of it. Be passionate. Women are drawn to men who have a passion or purpose in life. Passion is magnetic because it shows you have drive, ambition, and a zest for life. It doesn't have to be something grandiose. Maybe you're passionate about learning new languages, volunteering, or brewing your own craft beer. Talk about your passions with her, share your enthusiasm, and let her see that side of you. Women are drawn to men who are excited about life, who have goals and dreams they're actively pursuing. So, find your passion, pursue it wholeheartedly, and watch as it not only attracts her, but also enhances your life in countless ways. Show subtle dominance. Subtle dominance is about taking the lead in a way that's respectful, considerate, and even sexy. It's about showing her that you're capable, decisive, and that you can handle things. Women are often attracted to men who can take charge, who can make decisions with confidence. For example, instead of asking her, "What do you want to do tonight?" Plan a date, pick a restaurant, choose a movie, make a reservation. This shows her that you're thoughtful, that you're willing to take the initiative. Remember, subtle dominance is about being confident, decisive, and taking the lead in a way that makes her feel respected and admired. Master nonverbal communication. Your body language speaks volumes, often before you even utter a word. It can convey confidence, attraction, and interest, or it can signal insecurity, disinterest, and boredom. The key is to be aware of your nonverbal cues and use them to your advantage. First and foremost, maintain strong eye contact. Eye contact is incredibly powerful. It shows her that you're present, engaged, and interested in what she has to say. Next, pay attention to your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open. Use open gestures. When you're talking to her, use your hands to emphasize your points. And finally, don't forget the power of a smile. A genuine smile can light up a room and instantly make you more approachable and attractive. Let's face it, routine can be the death of attraction. When every day feels like a repeat of the last, it's easy for the excitement to dwindle. When we fall into predictable patterns, the spark can start to fade. The same old dinner, the same old conversations, it all becomes monotonous. But you know what keeps things exciting? Unpredictability. It's those unexpected moments that bring joy and laughter. Now, I'm not saying you need to plan a grand gesture every day, but small, unexpected surprises can go a long way. A little spontaneity can make a big difference. It could be as simple as bringing her her favorite coffee in the morning. Imagine her delight when she wakes up to that thoughtful gesture. Or surprising her with tickets to a concert she mentioned wanting to see. These little acts show that you're paying attention and that you care. Instead of always going to the same restaurant, try that new Thai place she's been wanting to check out. Exploring new experiences together can reignite the spark. The key is to show her that life with you is anything but boring. Adventure and excitement should be part of your relationship. So embrace spontaneity, surprise her, and watch as the spark between you continues to grow stronger. Keep her guessing and keep the love alive. In a world that often feels superficial and fleeting, genuine appreciation is a powerful thing. It's a rare gem that can make someone feel truly valued and cherished, and it's something that women crave deeply. They want to know that they matter, that their presence makes a difference. We all want to feel seen, valued, and appreciated for who we are. It's a fundamental human need that transcends gender. Notice the things that make her unique. Pay attention to the little details that set her apart from everyone else. Maybe it's her quirky sense of humor, her infectious laugh, or the way she can light up a room with her presence. Or perhaps it's the way her eyes light up when she talks about her passions, the things that truly excite her. Let her know that you appreciate those things, that you find them endearing and attractive. Compliment her in ways that go beyond the superficial. Tell her how much you admire her for who she is. Compliment her in ways that go beyond the superficial. Notice the depth of her character, her kindness, her strength. Remember the details she shares with you and use them to show her you care. It's the little things that make a big difference. When you make a woman feel special, like she's the only one who truly sees her, you create a connection that goes beyond the superficial. It's a bond that is built on genuine appreciation and understanding. This kind of connection is rare and precious, and it's something that can make a relationship truly special. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, shouldn't I be open and honest about my feelings? And yes, vulnerability is important in a relationship. But there's a difference between being vulnerable and wearing your heart on your sleeve all the time. This isn't about playing games or being emotionally unavailable, it's about creating a sense of intrigue, a desire for her to uncover more about you. Instead of pouring your heart out on the first date, share gradually. Let her see glimpses of your vulnerability, your softer side, but don't reveal everything all at once. So, be authentic, be genuine, but don't be afraid to hold back a little, to let her lean in and discover the depths of who you are. Here's the bottom line. Attraction is all about creating connection and intrigue while staying authentic. When you combine these 10 psychological hacks, you'll not only grab her attention but also build a bond that lasts. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more insights into relationships, psychology, and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.